Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt from V2N Visionary, and I got something brand new, hot off the CNC machine from Twisted Tea Industries. I'm going to show you this, and it's super cool. They MK1 setup from them, peg-wise, is super cool. You get a clevis. Within the clevis, use the MK1 kit. It bolts in the back and also has a set screw so you can set it, but check this out. Their super cool looking peg bolts in like so. Also has a bolt and a set screw, and you can adjust this any which way you want on your bike. If you want them higher, you want them a little forward, you want them a little back, you can do anything you want with these. I think this is a really cool innovation that a lot of people are going to use, and I'm sorry to say, a lot of companies are going to steal this design. So if you want the originals, get them from Twisted Tea Industries. Awesome stuff.